I have a bird hiding in my mouth. She nestles twigs between my teeth and makes a nest on my tongue, adorns it with splinters and with no shame. Her sky is pearly white instead of blue. She is safe in my mouth, just as long as I don't speak. I forget about her sometimes and try to verbalize my thoughts. See a feather flutter from my lips, feel her wings jabbing against my gums. She wants to get out. See sun from my jaw and wants to soar, wants to fly into color and earth and everything I'm keeping her from. Tells me that it is unfair to be cooped up for eternity. That what are these wings for anyways if she'll never get to use them? I want to keep her safe. Want to protect her forever. Want to hold her behind my lips so she will never know cold. I don't know how the world might receive her. Whether they'll welcome her with open arms or try to shoot her from the sky. But then again, I guess that's always the danger with speaking. Was letting your words glide through blue sky, suddenly unfolded from your tongue. You see, when you give your perspective the strength to take flight, there is always a risk. But isn't it better to have touched the clouds and come back down than never having soared at all? Maybe I have no reason to keep this bird trapped in my mouth when she has so much to say, so it's about time I break her nest. Chew and swallow it whole. I am not holding my words anymore. My mouth is not a cage. My speech doesn't need a shelter. I am speaking unafraid now, and I never want to stop because there's this bird in my mouth, just dying to be heard, and every chirp is pure poetry. When she sings, it's with so much power, so much capability that the whole world pauses just to listen to her song. She comes out as every word I've ever left unsaid, embedded in a rhyme scheme, in personification and metaphors. She crafts rhythm and rhyme with a singular tweet. Every syllable has a purpose, a pulse so real it almost feels tangible because this bird never lies. She is truth. She is my truth, just waiting to fly, just waiting to blend into the clouds, waiting for a taste of the horizon. Just wait until I open my mouth and she soars.